The introductory student activity I chose is nothing new, but possibly a new way to introduce bingo to students in an online environment. Bingo is one of those topics that people enjoy of all ages, and this could be a game that students would enjoy in a group, even if it is online. So, the website that I've chosen to play bingo is called bingobaker.com. Bingobaker.com. And so the interface looks pretty basic on this website. Um, I've never used this website before, but and provides different ways to showcase your customizable bingo cards to other people. This website also allows the user to display bingo cards in a paper-based or an online fashion to fit your taste. So um, what's also interesting is that you can embed pictures into your customizable bingo template, or you can just use text as your call items on the board. I had the pleasure of using pictures in mine, but at the bottom here is a customizable bingo template. You can click on a box and just type in whatever, word you like. Like enjoys cats. Um, the middle piece is always free based on the original template. However, if you choose to change that, you can. I did include a picture um, in my demo. Um, I got a picture from online from my folder, and I dragged it and just pasted into the template, and then it pastes. So I found that to be unique and interesting. Everything doesn't have to be text. So that was a great thing. You can change the size of the card to 3 by 3, 4 by 4, or 5 by 5. You can also change the letters of each column for bingo and put something different. So if I wanted to, put, I don't know, howdy, I could, HOWDY. So it's pretty nicely customizable. You can, of course, also change the title into anything you want. So I generated my own, and here is my bingo card that I actually created for my students to play. Once you generate a bingo card, and you can see I used a picture from Flickr for free images, for free word, I receive a few options to edit or use my bingo card. So on the right side of the card, if you can see, you can print your bingo cards. You can play it online. You can use a call list, and I'll just click on it so you can see. These are the call lists. So if you wanted to, have a printed copy, you could print and cross it out, or however, it may work for you in that sense. Um, Go back. You can edit this game, so if for some reason you wanted to change it, you can. It would still have the same URL, so that shouldn't be a problem at all. But of course, you want to be able to save this URL so that when you're able to share it with others, you can copy and paste it somewhere else. You can clone and edit this game, which I have not chosen to do, and I haven't tried it quite yet, but you can create a copy of this game too. And it gives you probabilities about how this game may play itself out before you even play it. So basically, it says here within 30 players, you'll have to call about 8 times before somebody gets bingo. And of course, that would be 5 in a row. Um, because this is going to be played online, we're not playing bingo in the typical regular fashion. This will be probably bingo over the course of a few days. So, my goal for my online community of high school students in a summer program is to get as many items on the call list as possible. So, of course, to hopefully call 5 in a row. But there is no person to call bingo, so we're virtually calling bingo. Hopefully, students will be able to use this online template and be able to pick their actual um, call items that refer to them. So in a discussion board or in Blackboard or Google Classroom or whatever online platform is used, once the bingo card is shown, like here, let me just copy and paste it. When the website is posted as such, this URL, you can generate the card. Okay, you generate it online. They give you a little, blanked out type option, but once you generate the card and you say, okay, I understand, you get a bigger version of the card that can be used online. And let's say, 8 of these attracted to you. Maybe you could swim, you're a vegetarian, you play a sport, you've broken a bone, you've traveled at least 5 states in America, you can play spades, you're left-handed. Let's say, you get as many as you can. That's my 8. Clearly, I haven't gotten 5 in a row, but, I've gotten as many as I can. Those students who are able to get 5 in a row and actually can prove the majority of them would be great. However, I don't think in an online environment it would be great to prove every single one. So for those times when we have smaller icebreakers, we could actually see some of these in the classroom. Some of them you don't necessarily want to see, like the broken bone, but maybe a student can talk more about traveling to 5 states. And so the goal in the online platform is for the student to post something of those 5 states. Maybe they went to see Mount Rushmore, and they took a picture of it. Maybe they visited Disneyland and took a picture with family. Posting something like that in their group would be great. However, plays a sport, maybe they have a video that can be posted. And so the hope is that the student would be able to provide at least 3 pictures or videos of their choice that explains how this card applies to them. Now, of course, this is bingo, and we want somebody to get 5 in a row. However, if they are able to get 5 in a row, there should be some sort of incentive. So the incentive to winning bingo would be hopefully to win a prize. And this prize could be, several people winning bingo. The goal hopefully is for them to have their names put into a box or a bag for a chance to win a completely exclusive prize. Yeah, this is a summer program, so it could be something as simple as a homework pass or extra credit on an assignment or something more tangible such as a gift card or lunch. I primarily picked this activity because this allows students and adults of all ages to share commonalities. When students are new or they're part of a new environment, they tend to shy away from other people because they don't feel like they're a part of the group, of the whole. So hopefully students will feel a little bit more secure in knowing each other and getting to know the staff, even if they chose to play the bingo game, and can enjoy learning more about college and each other. So this would be my small activity. I hope you've learned a little bit more about this bingo, and I hope this was able to assist you and help you.